Hey there, fellow Internet Explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for all you Safari users out there. Are you tired of the bright and distracting toolbar while browsing? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll show you how to dim the complete toolbar in Safari, making your browsing experience more comfortable and enjoyable. All thanks to the incredible Turn Off the Lights Safari extension. Let's dive in. When you have the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension installed in your Safari web browser, you will see a lamp icon. With a single click, it will dim the web page. However, it does not dim the toolbar. To enable the dimming of the toolbar when you click on the lamp button, follow these steps. Go to the Apple menu bar, and select Safari, and choose the Settings menu item. In the Settings menu, click on the Tabs tab in the navigation bar. Now, select the tab layout to be compact. Once you've completed these steps, when you go back to the YouTube page and click on the lamp icon, it will dim both the web page and the Safari toolbar. Isn't that great? And there you have it, folks. Dimming the complete toolbar in Safari has never been easier. With the Turn Off the Lights extension, you can now enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience. Give it a try, and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy browsing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.